This account posts macro ASMR videos, and these videos get millions of views. They're made with all kinds of different objects, as you can see. And the best part, they're really easy to make. I'm going to show you exactly how I make these videos too. I found a workflow to create them using Higgsfield, and I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. First, go to our website. The link is in the description. Once you're on the website, head to the GPT library section and search for a GPT called Macro ASMR. Select it, click Start Chat, and once you're in the chat, you'll see a button that says Start. Click that, and the GPT will give you 10 different object ideas to use in your video. You also have the option to get more ideas by simply typing More. And just like that, you'll get 10 new suggestions. But you can also type in your own object. In this case, we're going with our own idea, and we're picking an apple. The GPT will then give you a recommendation for how the video should look. It also gives you a few alternatives using different tools. You can go with one of those, or you can just type in your own idea. We're going to type ours in. Peel away the stem with a mini plier. The GPT will then generate 2 text-to-image prompts and 1 video prompt. Copy the first text-to-image prompt you received from the GPT. Now head over to Higgsfield. In Higgsfield, go to the Image tab and select the image model Nano Banana 2. Paste the text-to-image prompt there. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and the quality to 2K. Then choose how many images you want to generate. We're going with 4. Hit Generate. You'll get 4 images where both hands are visible, the apple in the left hand and a mini plier in the right. Now pick which image you want to use as your start frame. I like this one, so I click the reference button. Next, go back to the GPT and copy the second text-to-image prompt. Paste it into the prompt section and hit Generate again. This time, you'll get 4 close-up images of the apple. Now you only need 2 images, the start frame and a second shot. Head over to the Video tab in Higgsfield and select the video model Seedance 2.0. Click Upload Media and go to the Image Generation section. You'll see all the images you just made. Because Seedance is a safety-checked model, you need to scan your images first to make sure they're accepted by the video model. Click Check Eligibility on both images. The AI will scan them and approve them. Select your first frame, then your second frame. Go back to the GPT one more time and copy the video prompt. Paste it into the video prompt section. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16 and the resolution to 1080p. Then hit Generate. We actually click Generate twice because sometimes the AI makes small mistakes with some videos. Let me show you what I mean. In the first one, the apple stem gets pulled off in a slightly unnatural way. Here's an example. I personally like the second generation better. That's exactly why I said you might need to generate more than once to get a clean result. In the second video, the stem gets pulled away in a much more realistic way. I've done this with a bunch of different objects to show you the powerful capability of the GPT model. For example, I also did it with a cherry, but with a slightly different method. In the GPT, just type in the new object, in this case, a cherry. You'll get a recommendation and a few alternatives again. This time, we're going with the GPT's recommendation. Copy it, paste it back into the GPT, and you'll get your 2 text-to-image prompts and 1 video prompt. Now, same process as before, but this time we want to make one small tweak. We want the hands to belong to a woman and the nail color should match the cherry. So we type, can you change the hand to a woman's hand with a nail color matching a cherry color, high gloss gel? And just like that, we get 3 new prompts with that adjustment included. Copy the first text-to-image prompt, paste it into Higgsfield, and as you can see, you now get a cherry held in woman hands with nail polish that matches the cherry color. Just like before, pick the image you like, click Reference, then paste the second text-to-image prompt and generate the close-up shot. You will get beautiful images like this. Use the same video model and follow the same steps, and you'll get a video just like this one. I've also tried other objects, like a shoe where I remove a small stone from the sole, or a kiwi that gets scraped with a razor blade. Don't just copy everything exactly, put your own spin on it by changing things up, like using different hands with different nail colors each time. Just get creative with your videos and you'll start seeing the same kind of results with views. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.